Yeah, yeah. Too, man. We'll get some cars for you. Can I get a what?
Well, that's without the 2 bottles. That was without the 2 bottles.
Spraying at night, baby.
I didn't keep him up.
I don't know. Yeah, but he's racing my course. I know that.
Where's the target?
It's at 240. It's at 240. It doesn't make crazy power. It's a stock 5 liter bottle. You said you needed a bottle. It's on 13. But it keeps up with our
It's chilly.
900,000 horses. That's probably maybe 55, 50. All having fun. All having fun. The only thing is,
And a wet food stamp. I'll get my Monopoly money out. Go. Fuck it. Who's this guy right here? He's got a tag team racing shirt on. Hey, what shirt do I have on? Who's that?
Oh, he's actually wearing it.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Hey, what's hey? Hey, everybody's representing today. All right, what's the deal? What you doing?
240 is racing at least the ZR1.
For real?
How much does it make?
Stock?
It's stock.
Yeah. He'll trap about 148 to 149.
Yeah. That'd be a pretty good race.
I think it'll be a good race, man. I think it will.
147 through the beams on the limiter for like a second and a half.
You should run the yellow ZL1 and the black ZL1.
Yeah, we're racing.
How about you guys get in the front?
And the
So we'll put you guys in front.
Because
the Pro Charge
tomorrow too. And trains gets hot.
Yep. Well, and then you can get your runs in the front, and you're not trying to chase everybody. Yeah.
So when Alex and the 240 runs the twin turbo ZL1, we're running 3 wide with the bike as well.
Okay.
Because the 240 is like almost pulling on my bike.
I'm gonna like jump over in the right lane and film over you guys because I got cameras shooting that way.
One of the first ones, just so we don't get
You are gonna be in the front. Yep.
like a half hour after.
Yep. Hey, we're gonna.
I saw you look at his
I got video. We're gonna try and make if everything goes according to plan this fall.
Talking some shit to some people.
Hmm? What do you mean?
Hey, I got a car.
How?
It don't run very well.
Oh.
I didn't have my.
Did you bring it over here?
Yeah, it's over there.
Oh, okay.
Get the stop.
I can't. I couldn't drive it.
Two-wheel drive and then.
Oh, okay. I was gonna.
So it's got Mickey and shit.
I thought you were four-wheel drive.
Try to bring that fucking slow shit out of it. I will destroy that.
Here, man. He's like, I'm ready to race tonight. Look at him.
I ain't been out in a minute.
Yeah, you missing out, man. We got the ZR1 coming right now. You gonna run him too?
I'll run anybody that pull up next to me.
Let's do a 3 wide with you and Alex. Run his, man.
I'll run anything. I don't care how fast it is.
There you go. That'd be a good video.
All the content.
That'd be a good video.
You want like what, 10 in the hit?
Yeah.
All right.
He said, all right. Sam's like, I'm ready. Give me 10 to hit.
Passenger.
I'm just a passenger.
Camera guy.
I'm just a camera guy.
I'm gonna get gas. Use your better judgment on whatever is about to happen.
I got you.
Yeah, we'll get you set up.
In my regard.
Oh, yeah, I got you.
How much?
1,200 every.
Damn, is everybody in this group? Shit.
I know they're in this many fast cars.
Look at Chris over here. He's like, I'm in the 700 horsepower group.
That's me, man.
Yeah, that's me, man.
I mean, I technically probably make like 380 right now.
Can I get a 900?
Make 650.
Cracks me up.
I make 650. Motherfucking liar, dude.
My car dynoed 560 last time.
9?
The one-legged
That thing was scooting. She was scooting. She was scooting. Yeah, yeah. Sway was breaking up a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he was breaking up, but you're topping on that's good, man.
Well, I started gear high since I can't hook.
Okay, well, that explains why it was us getting that little jump at first, and then you just kind of came screaming.
Were you in the car with Sway?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
That makes sense, yeah. I saw he had a passenger ride. I couldn't really see the face.
Yeah. We got off like 2 other good races. We got one with... Dude,
Yeah,
and they were trying to freaking do 20 rolls up front. Like, what are we...
You know what we should do?